So today we'll be looking into a continuation of a Spark shell, that is key value pair and other RDD features. So going into this, there are different features of Apache Spark. And the first one is swift processing. So this swift processing is done using Apache Spark. So here the user tries to achieve a high data processing speed of about, which is 100 times faster in memory and which is also 10 times faster on the disk. So this is made possible by reducing the number of read-write to disk. And the second thing is dynamic in nature. That is, our Apache Spark can easily develop a parallel application because this Spark provides 80 high-level operators. So these are the two first and main features of Apache Spark, and we move on to the others. The third one is in-memory computation in Spark. That is, what happens here is with in-memory processing, the user will be able to increase the processing speed. That is, here what happens is the data is being cached. So we need not fetch data from the disk every time. So thus the time is saved. So this Spark has a DAG execution engine which facilitates in-memory computation and async data flow resulting in high speed, which is also dynamic in nature. And the fourth one is reusability. That is, this can be used. That is, the user can reuse the Spark code for batch processing. And it can also be used to join the stream against historical data or to run ad hoc queries on stream state. The fifth one is fault tolerance in Spark. So this Apache Spark provides fault tolerance through Spark Abstraction RDD. That is, Spark RDDs are designed to handle the failure of any worker node in the cluster. Thus, it ensures that the loss of data reduces to zero. And it also helps to learn different ways to create RDD in Apache Spark. And the sixth one is real-time stream processing. So this Spark has a provision for real-time stream processing. So earlier the problem with Hadoop MapReduce was that it can handle and process data which is already present, but not the real-time data. But with Spark streaming, this problem can be solved. And the next one, the seventh one, is lazy evaluation in Apache Spark. That is, what happens here is all the transformations that are made in Spark RDD are lazy in nature. That is, it does not give the result right away. Rather, a new RDD is formed from the existing one. Thus, this increases the efficiency of the system. So, and the next one is to support multiple languages. The main feature of Apache Spark is that here this can support multiple languages like Java, R, Scala, and Python. So thus it provides dynamicity and overcomes the limitation of Hadoop that it can build applications only in Java. So we were able to see 8 features of Spark. I'll go through again. The first one was swift processing. The second one was dynamic in nature. The third one was in-memory computation in Spark. The fourth one, reusability. The fifth one, fault tolerance in Spark. Sixth one, real-time stream processing. Seventh one, lazy evaluation in Apache Spark. Eighth one, support multiple languages. And the conclusion here is that Apache Spark is the most advanced and popular product of Apache community, which provides the provision to work with streaming data, which also has various machine learning library, and it can also work on structured and unstructured data. And it also deals with graph, etc. So I hope you have understood what is Spark shell and also what is a key value pair and about its other RDD features.